Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to install a drive shaft. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. Let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so we are installing this drive shaft today. If you haven't seen the last one, I actually got it out at the Records, and today we're going to be installing it. Coming up soon, guys, the K24 will get put back together, get mocked up for turbo exhaust manifold. Alright guys, so safety first. We're going to jack this up, get the wheel off and stick it under the car as well as the jack stands, and we need to clean up in this area here as well. We'll actually get this garage door open. It's going to be a sauna in here today. That means Az will probably come walking through. Yeah, slow down, slow down. There she is. What are you doing? Alrighty guys, I'll save this towards the start of the video. The next couple of weeks probably won't have a lot of videos out because it is school holidays here in Victoria. So I'll be hanging out with Marley quite a bit, doing some fun things. Let me know if you want to see what we get up to. Just comment down below and record a couple of things, I guess. Let's get into it. Alright, first up, we're going to bust the nut. So we'll loosen off these nuts here, 19mm. I'll get the breaker bar out and then we'll start jacking it up. Because I'm not driving this much, do you think I should put the spacers on when I put this down? Let me know. Right, now the nuts are loose. We can get it off when it's jacked up. So we'll jack it up, get a couple of jack stands under it, get the wheel off, put the wheel underneath for extra protection. I'll get stuck into removing the drive shaft and get the new one in. Or newer. If you noticed then, when I was jacking it up, I was actually bringing it across. So it's actually shifted the carpet, which is a bit annoying, because now I don't have a flat surface to put a jack on that side. But I'll get this wheel off and chuck it underneath for safety, and we'll get into it. Alright guys, I'm going to use my impact driver. Get these off. Now I did loosen them before with the breaker. This might be a little bit loud. Hi guys. If you didn't know, I did upgrade my brakes to SG fronts. Put a link up here. It's quite a while ago, but yeah, this is still all straight from the SG. So what I'll do is put a screwdriver in here in the vent, and I'll just bust this nut. And as you can see, we have scrubbing once again. So what I might do is I'll put the spacer on this side, I'll drop down, see how it looks. Hopefully it's not touching on this guard. If it is, Just jack it up and take it off. It's quite easy. There we go. Busted a nut. Just leave it on a little bit. So we'll use this to actually knock it out a bit. Alrighty guys, so I've loosened off the nut. Next thing I'll do is get under the car, and I have put another jack stand there, and I'll punch out the pin that's holding it into the gearbox, or the front diff should I say. And then I'll take off this bolt here, which will allow the whole lower control arm to come down, and I'll take off these two here. So it'll allow it to drop down, and I can slide the drive shaft out. Sweet, let's get to it. You gonna help me film, Az? You helping me film? Cool. So the pin's already facing down, which is great. And it is. The pin is out. Now that took, check it, watch out, Az. Hey! Pulled the power out. What, like 10 seconds? At the wreckers, that took me like half hour to an hour, because the pin broke. It wouldn't come out. Alright. Also, good way to test that your drive shaft is stuffed is to hold the CV on the inside and rotate. And if you can get rotated like that, your CV is stuffed. Also, just when you're turning and you can hear it, it's stuffed. I'll show you obviously when I get it out as well. But yeah, we're pretty close already. We'll get the sway bar link off. We'll loosen off these 19s and get them out of the knuckle. And that'll allow that to drop down enough for the inside to come out. And then we'll take the nut off, and then we can push it back that way and get it out. Cool, let's do it. Alright, so we'll take the lower sway bar link bolt out. If I remember correctly, they are two 12s, 12 bolt and a 12 nut. Alright. I didn't remember very correctly, did I? This is, obviously, you can see some aftermarket link. Might be a 13 and a 13. Alright boys, we're going to get these 19s off now. So we'll get the camber bolt off. We'll just have a look at where it's at. The huge. You can see both. Yep. Cool. Let's get them off, and that should drop down because that's not connected. So what I'll actually need to do also, because it's dropping away, I'll take the ABS off. So that's a 12. Oh, that's not good. 19s. So it should be alright. There we go. And what I normally do is I get my extension from my 3/4 inch socket set, and I punch these out. I'll get the camera out first. I'm hitting it like that, guys, because the light's there. Don't want to hit the light. So, looks like this is already starting to go. So this is what I normally do. Just turn it a bit, guys. Put my socket over. I've threaded on the nut, sorry, on a couple of threads. I think it's pretty loose in there. Give it a good tap. Yeah, it's starting to come out already. Yeah, but what I want it to do is actually come out from the front diff first. So it's probably going to drop down quite a bit. So I might get the jack under it. It's just resting on it, like it's not put pressure on it, but okay. Don't forget I've got lowered suspension too, guys, so if you're doing this to your normal Subaru, it might not be the case. Okay, so remember we've got the pin out. So we should have left the brake line on. It's just a pain. It should be enough. I didn't take it off when I got it off, so should be okay. There we go. It's off there. And there we go. Easy. This is actually the hardest bit. This is. There we go. There we go. Let's compare the two. Right, so when you are getting one from the wreckers, just make sure, we'll just check that it's ABS. This is the ABS ring. So the length is the same. The actual shaft is a bit thicker than this one, but this is what I mean about the play. We've got like nothing in that one. Cool. And this one looks like it's getting a bit of dry rot on the wubber. And yeah, what I'll do is I'll grease up this shaft and slide it back in. So I'll just do it the opposite way. So this side will go in first, and we'll put the inside in. Then you just got to line up the holes to get the pin through. Alrighty guys, so I've already put this side in. I've put the nut on so it won't slide out. Just got to get under and rotate so the hole lines up so I can get the pin through. Alrighty guys, so the inside is all on, pin is in. Now we're just gonna do it in reverse. So we'll get these back in, and it helps that I've got the jack there now. So I can just jack it up and get the. Ooh, that's a bit dirty. The camber bolt in. Which is this way. Easy. Put the lower bolt in. Easy. Don't forget, when you're taking the camber bolt out, to mark it where it was. I remember where mine was, so put it, rotate it back. Although mine probably isn't the best alignment. Yeah, always mark it, boys. That's not allowed to move, or our camber will move. And we'll tighten up this side. Cool. Easy. It's not that hard, is it, guys? This drive shaft bolt, because the ABS sits in it within that groove, so it's ugga-dugged. It's actually gone around to where it was pinned in before, so pretty good. I'll just knock it in a little bit. Alrighty. Oh no. Can you see that? Oh dear. Nah, I just hit it with a hammer, it popped back in, but it does need to come up a little bit, so once again I'll get the jack under the lower control arm just to get it up a little bit. I'll get that bolt back in, the 13mm ones. I'll find my 13s again. Just keep an eye on it. And yeah. Okay. It's gone in a bit. Right, boys, there we have it. Subaru Driveshaft changed. It didn't take that long, really. It actually took longer to get it out the wreckers. Mainly because that pin on the inside there. Yeah, everything is good. I won't put the spacers on today. I'll wait for what you guys say. Definitely need spacers on the rear. But yeah, let's get the wheel back on and drop it back down. And guys, just a reminder, once the car is back on the ground, double check your wheel nuts. Mine were still loose, so they were tightened up. And that's it, guys. It's ready to go, but not really, because I've got other things to do. So, any questions about today's episode, put them down in the comment section below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you next episode. Bye.